Alright, let's take a quick look into my Rise to the Challenge baseball softball template. So this is the vertical template, and it makes awesome large banners and will print just about any standard size you need. The instant download will come with an in-depth tutorial that'll tell you how to modify the layers and insert your subject. I'm going to show you a quick example of how fast it can be. So I'm going to go to my Insert Subject Here folder. I'm going to shut my sample subject off. I'm going to bring in an extracted subject. I'm going to drag and drop them in there and place them where I think they look good. Maybe make her a little bit bigger and hit enter. So she's placed inside there. Now I can modify any text and graphics I want. For example, a school name and text. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to change this Bearcats to Lancers. I'm going to change the color to red. Just a reminder, there's a full tutorial that will teach you how to modify any of these layers. Let's change South Bend to North Liberty. We can change the name fields just the same. Just double click on the text and change whatever you need. You can change these text boxes back there and make them a different color if you want to also. Other things, you can even change the press box color. Use the color slider to adjust the color you want. Close that up. Of course, you can even change the name back on the box there. Just like that. I can also change the flare colors by double clicking here and adjusting to whatever color I want to. So if I wanted to go red there, that looks good. And then the background color I can change. I could go with a dark gray. That looks pretty cool. I go with a bright white. That looks fun too. Or I could even pick a red. You can modify this however you like. You can even move any of these elements. So the flag can move, the light poles can move. All that stuff is adjustable. And for you volume photographers, if you don't want to include the subject name, you can shut off the subject name. And if you have a baseball player, you can turn on the grass. It's as easy as that to modify and adjust to fit your subjects.